Good evening, RH simulation member. This is Riyad with you. So today's video we are going to see how I choose my routes and how I do my briefing before going to fly in VATSIM. So in the real world, basically, once I want to fly VFR conditions, I need to go to the operation of my flight school academy, and this is applicable for any students. We need to get the papers of the aircraft. We need to get then the flight plan, send it to the tower and to the RO office, and then we will get an answer from the office that our flight plan is accepted if all the elements are good and correct. And then we go to have to get the meteorological conditions reports and weather significance charts. Then we do the mass and balance. We brief together with my flight instructor or with my pilots if we are doing the time building together. So, and then we go to the aircraft to start our operation. But in the IFR flights, it's basically the same thing, but the rules changes a little bit. So today I'm going to show you how I choose my flight plan or my flight routes in VATSIM or in my Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. So basically, first of all, I need to go to VATSIM radar. It's basically a radar that it shows you the air traffic controllers and the pilots that are online and in case we have any events. So basically I fly most complex airport. For example, on Friday we have Frankfurt Friday on VATSIM. It's an event that we have more than sometimes more than 100 pilots on the VATSIM network. So let's get started. First of all, for example, I see it is interesting because I'm activating the weather radar of VATSIM and it is the same as the real one. So for example, I want to do a flight from today from Frankfurt to Bilbao. Why Frankfurt? Why Bilbao? Frankfurt, it is quite a complex airport in Germany with some lines. We have blue, orange, so this makes the taxi challenging. And on Bilbao we have complex approaches due to high terrain elevation. So I go to flight radar 24. I don't have the payware one. We go to find flight routes and we write the ICAO code of Frankfurt and here Bilbao. Then I will search and I see that today recent or scheduled flights. Let's get the latest one, the Lufthansa 02 Hotel. So I will put play and I can see more or less the route. So the aircraft did an average flight time of 1 hour and 50 minutes with 4 minutes arrival delay. So this gives me an idea of the route more or less that took the airplane. And then I will go to my SimBrief. I will go to flights, new flights, and I'm gonna write Frankfurt Bilbao. I put the A320 and we are going, the SimBrief is going to generate an automatic flight for us. So this flight, it looks quite interesting and a little bit different from the flight of our airplane. So what we are going to do is I'm going to disregard other elements like airline flight number and let's go down to calculator, route calculator. So since we are flying southwest, we have an even number So I'm going to select flight level 36 because it is the optimum flight level on the A320, and right here flight level 360. Okay, so here on the suggested routes, we have several routes. So the SimBrief is giving us this one, but for me, what I want to do is I want to compare the other routes if it helps or no. So let's start with for example, the first one, and let's click to calculate and compare. Then let's click on the second one and let's put calculate and compare. So the second one, it's given as you can see, different values. For example, the distance is plus 51 nautical miles, time 8 minutes, trip fuel 432. So this is not good for the company. Let's see the third one. I think so. No, I select the third one. So as you can see, the third one, it's quite similar as the Lufthansa. It's, I guess, the same one. Maybe they have got direct from yes, they have got direct from Pipor, maybe direct to Uvake. So this is quite interesting. Let's click on calculate and compare. So as you can see, on the third route, we will get we will save 3 minutes, and we will have less fuel, less trip fuel, and less block fuel for sure, less landing fuel. We will have wind component plus 15, which is good for us, and with the cost index of 33. The only thing is we can expect an estimated takeoff weight of minus 171 kilogram, but this is fine for me, since I am going to save fly time and some fuel and some extra 3 minutes. Maybe we will get directed from Pipor to Pamplona, for example, or Pipor to Segam. It's quite interesting. Let's see the fourth one. Calculate and compare. So the fourth one is also interesting. We are having minus 160 kilogram of block fuel, but if we compare it with the second one, it's quite interesting because we are having less fuel, and we are it's optimum, even with some seconds, but it's optimum, and this is due to wind and everything. As we can see that the Lufthansa took the routes that we have, it the optimum one down to Switzerland and then passing from the south of France, etc. It's better than going from Paris and then south. So this is quite interesting route. So let's select the same flight number, which is Lufthansa 02 Hotel. So let's come back and select Lufthansa 02 Hotel. We have the alternate, I guess it's Leon Airport, I think so. Passenger, let's take 154, and let's take the second one, if I'm not mistaken. Let me double check. It was yes, it was Anketu Lima Sega 3 kilo and Sega 3 kilo. It was this one. Yes, this route, it's quite interesting. Then if we go to the jet stream, maybe due to jet stream, exactly, that's the thing. We are avoiding little bit of jet stream and little bit of the red area right here. So quite interesting. Some turbulence also, we are avoiding some turbulence. So as we can see, this route, it's quite good, and maybe from people we are going to be direct Segam or Bravo 901. Let's see in this case what we will have. So this is more or less how I calculate my routes. That's it. Let's right now put the registration. I don't remember exactly. Let's double check on the Phoenix. We will get it from a Phoenix installer. The install livery, it was the Delta Alpha India Uniform Oscar. Delta Alpha India Uniform Oscar. Let's ignore the VIN number. So we are departing from runway 18 and landing runway 30, and then we will generate the route. So for today's video, that's it. I showed you how I take my route, and let's continue with the other details on the next video. Thanks for watching.